Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly clean up your audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. So assuming you've already trimmed down the empty parts of your clip as so, we can further clean the audio up using some built-in settings here in Adobe Premiere Pro. And it's really nice that they made it really easy. And what we're going to be using is the essential sound function. So I'm going to select my audio clip here and I'm going to go to the essential sound tab. If you don't see it, all you have to do is go to window and enable essential sound. Then you can drag it around wherever you'd like, but I like to keep it here at the right hand side. That way I get to view my media and my program monitor at the same time. So here in the essential sound control panel, I'm going to click on dialogue, making sure my clip is selected. So as you can see, I set the audio type to dialogue for my raw voiceover .mp3. So let's go ahead and give it a mic check. This is a raw audio record. So it's already applied some effects. Simply selecting the audio type already changes some effects. So let's go ahead and look over the settings here. What I'm mostly interested in is going to be the repair. Underneath repair, I'm going to turn on reduce noise and tinker with the slider a little bit until it satisfies me. So if I go back and play my check, you can see that it's pretty much a night and day difference between having this on and having this app. This is a raw audio recording sound. So that already sounds a lot better. Let's also go ahead and de-hum this a little bit. This is a raw. And maybe we can change the enhance speech portion. Check. This is a raw audio. Maybe at the top. This is a raw audio recording. There are also some presets here if you'd like to change them, but I'd rather stick to the repair. So you can also de-ess and reduce reverb, but so far it doesn't sound like my audio really needs that. Raw audio recording. Since mostly I just wanted to get rid of the background noise. Check. This is a raw audio recording sample. So as you can see, if I turn this off, this is what it sounds like. This is a raw audio recording sample. And this is with it on. This is a raw audio recording sample. So you can fine tune these settings on your own to find out what works best for you. You just have to fiddle with some sliders for a couple of minutes, but once you find the optimal settings, you can quickly apply that with any other dialogue in your project. So that was how you can use the Essential Sound Control panel to clean up your audio really quickly in just a few clicks using Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.